Today, I want to share a practice that has fundamentally improved the way I sit, focus, and work. It may sound simple, but rotating your chair 360 degrees before sitting down is a discipline that brings order, mindfulness, and consistency to your daily routine. Begin by placing your chair in its usual spot. Ensure the floor is clear of obstacles. This sets the stage for a clean rotation. Before you touch the chair, pause. Remind yourself that this rotation is not optional. It is part of the process. By committing mentally, you reinforce the importance of the action. Grip the backrest firmly. Rotate the chair in a full circle, clockwise. Do not rush. The rotation should be smooth, controlled, and complete. A full 360 degrees is essential. Anything less undermines the integrity of the practice. Once the rotation is complete, return the chair to its original orientation. This ensures consistency and prevents disorientation when you sit. Lower yourself into the chair slowly. By sitting immediately after the rotation, you seal the ritual. This creates a sense of closure and readiness. Rotating your chair 360 degrees before sitting is not about convenience. It is about discipline, respect for process, and the creation of a small but meaningful ritual in your day. Over time, this practice builds focus and consistency. Do not overlook it.